Creating the perfect YouTube title can be harder than making the actual video. You want something catchy, keyword-rich, and clickable, but your brain just won't come up with the right words. Well, here's the good news: you don't have to struggle anymore. Because today, I'll show you how to generate powerful YouTube titles using free AI tools in seconds. Let's start with a simple truth. A great title is what decides whether your video gets ignored or goes viral. And AI is incredibly good at understanding what people actually click on. The first free tool you can try is ChatGPT. Just type a prompt like, "Write 10 catchy YouTube titles about your topic." You can even add more details like, "Make them emotional, short, and optimized for SEO." Within seconds, AI gives you multiple title ideas, each designed to attract clicks and match search intent. But here's an even smarter way: use Google's keyword data to guide AI. Go to keywordtool.io or Ahrefs free keyword generator, find the trending keywords for your niche, and feed them to ChatGPT. Now the AI knows exactly what people are searching for, and combines that with creativity. That's how you get titles that both rank and convert. If you want a dedicated title generator, check out vidIQ's AI title generator or TubeRankG. Both have free versions. You just paste your topic, and it creates multiple YouTube-optimized titles instantly. For example, if your topic is AI tools for students, the AI might generate Top 5 free AI tools every student needs in 2025. This AI will do your homework faster than you. Students are using this AI trick, and teachers hate it. Notice how each title uses emotion, curiosity, and keywords. That's the formula AI has mastered. The best part? You can keep refreshing the results until you find one that perfectly fits your style. No writer's block. No guessing game. So the next time you upload a video, don't waste 30 minutes brainstorming titles. Use AI, let it do the hard work while you focus on what really matters: creating great content. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.